I'm Scott from Hauslein, and this is our Grand Sojourner. This is version 3. Be only glad to show you around inside. So with our Grand version 3 in particular, it's kind of the model for the king and the castle. You can see here that it opens up into just pretty big space. This is probably one of the most generously spaced tiny houses internally. So one of our options will include a wall here with a bedroom, and this is great for kids or a master downstairs bedroom if that's what you like. And then the slide out is usually moved along and it's here, so it's a little bit more compact. This one's really spread out, stretched out, lots and lots of room. So as usual, you've got all the solid cypress features, solid cypress floorboards, which are really thoroughly glued down to a structural ply floor, so that works really well. And then above here we've got the loft is per normal, so this is good for an office space or an extra bedroom or a guest accommodation, whatever suits you. And then of course you can see you've got breakfast bar area. Stairs, this is these are our stairs that we build in-house, and I've said in previous videos that these are 290 millimeters tall for the rise, and the treads are 240 in the going, and the actual tread is 260, so you have your 20 mil overhang. But this is kind of following the kind of residential building code in terms of the rise and the going, and that makes for a very safe, comfortable set of stairs to climb up and down. And you'll see there it's all full of storage, so there's actually a good cubby spot there for a Dyson or some sort of stick vac. And then you have these handy little spots in here. We avoid having flaps, we avoid these flapping up, and we avoid having drawers or shelves in the riser area because that's just a very high risk hazard. So you'll see that all our cabinetry, including the stairs, is all the premium plywood that we use, and same with the carcass, the cabinet section, the part you can't see. So we've stuck with that from the start and it works well. You have the door dishwasher, the Fisher & Paykel, again a great unit that we've been using for years now. And then you have the chef oven. These are actually made in Australia, and this is a full LPG unit, and you can get an electric version that's quite similar to this as well. So you have your range hood. This will vent to the outside of the house to take out the stinks, and this is where the fridge will go. So we usually would supply a bottom mount fridge if that's something that you get from us. This is one of our pantries that we make in-house, so it works well. You can access plenty of access on both sides and get all your cornflakes and Cocoa Pops in there nicely. And this is the bigger bathroom. So this version 3, gets the bigger bathroom, and what that gives you is you've got a nice little cupboard in here, a washer dryer here, and then above it obviously you've got a handy little bench space area. And the washer dryer here you can see is raised up, it's sitting on top of a drawer, so that makes it nice and convenient to get to. So yeah, you've just got plenty of drawers and storage, and all the drawers that we use and the hinges are all nicely soft closed, very nice, function very well. Handy little nook in here, and you have one of our signature solid timber sinks. Some people have their reservations about shower curtain, but in my opinion, they're a little bit underrated. They work very well, and if and when they get dirty, you can just unhook them and chuck them in the washing machine, so that works well. And they're nice and light and simple, and they're not going to break or smash. And so that's the bathroom. Very nice, very nicely sized, very nicely sized and comfortable to do life in there. So yeah, that's the downstairs area, and that's that loft. And then up here, I'll just demonstrate. Very nice, very comfortable set of stairs to climb up and down. And then you'll find here at the top is actually stand-up height. This is one of our drop-down landings, so it works really well. And then you have again one of our cabinets that we make. We've designed and made this in-house, and it's good because you've got plenty of storage there in the door, and then you've got some hanging space and whatnot in there. And you'll see a double power point there with a little hatch to the side, so you can tuck your phone in there at night and charge it if that's what you want to do. So Yeah, that's it. This model has a skylight above the bed so you can watch the stars at night. So that is the tour of one of our beautiful Grand Sojourners. This is version 3, and the lucky customer of this is down in Victoria. It's getting delivered soon, and yeah, we build homes to be loved. And if you're interested in purchasing a grand or any tiny house for that matter, please get in touch and we'll be only happy to help. So thanks.